What's up, everyone? The iPhone 17 Air is on the way, and guess what? It's going to be ridiculously thin. No, seriously. I've seen the renders, the dummy models, and now, thanks to Unbox Therapy, we've got a full-on video showing us just how slim this bad boy is. I mean, wow, I knew it'd be thin, but this thing is next level. So we're looking at an iPhone that's around 5.5 millimeter thick, making it the thinnest iPhone ever. Compare that to the iPhone 17 Pro, which is rumored to be about 8.7 meter, and you can really see how much thinner the Air will be. And get this, the phone is almost the same thickness as the side buttons, no joke. Like, forget the numbers, just look at the design. It's insanely thin. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't it going to bend? Apple learned from their BendGate days with the iPhone 6 Plus, and they're apparently using a titanium aluminum chassis to keep this thing solid and free from the bendy drama. We're also hearing that Apple's keeping the display at 6.6 inches, so no huge jump in size, but that's likely to prevent any bending issues. Originally, it was going to be 6.9 inches, but it seems Apple's being extra careful with the design. As for the camera, expect a 48-megapixel main sensor. No ultra-wide or telephoto lenses here, but the digital crop should make up for it. And the display? An LTPO OLED panel with 120 Hz ProMotion. Yep, 120 Hz across the board, even on the Air. That's a big win. Now, with that ultra-thin design, battery life could be a concern. But rumor has it, the iPhone 17 Air will pack the new C1 chip, which should bring efficiency to keep things running smoothly. Fingers crossed it'll hold up. And price? It's expected to be around $899, which is right in the middle of the 17 and 17 Pro. So you get a premium experience, but without paying Pro prices. If Apple nails this design and keeps it lightweight while offering solid performance, I think a lot of people will be all in on the iPhone 17 Air. It's a big step forward for the airline, and personally, I'm here for it. But hey, I want to know what you think. Would you go for a super thin iPhone, or do you think the Pro models are the way to go? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.